Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for stopping because a guy was waving his arms all crazy like. Quick question for you. Would you like to be able to put your content to work? What do I mean by that? What I mean is, instead of putting content out there willy-nilly with no strategy and no plan, would you like to be able to have a strategy and a plan that put your content to work for you and allowed you to get free incoming leads, grow an audience, get more money, create more impact, influence, and income in your business, therefore in your life, make your mission bigger, do all the things that you're here to do in the first place through strategic content? If you'd like to learn how to do this, all you have to do is say, "Tell me more" in the chat below. Put "Tell me more" in the chat below. It's going to cost you an email address to learn it, but you won't regret it. But "Tell me more," and I will deliver to you a training on how to leverage your content to create incoming lead flow without spending money. Pretty cool.